Step into the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include transmission oil cooler, AutoTrack active transfer case, 3.73 axle ratio, 4-wheel drive, HD 600cc battery, 7-pin trailering wire harness, integrated front tow hooks, smooth ride suspension tuning, independent torsion bar front suspension and multi-link rear suspension. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.